How did you get this number?
You're the vigilante.
That's a dangerous accusation.
Yeah, there's the vigilante voice. It scared the shit out of me the first time I heard it. Listen, I got something that might interest somebody like you. I found out the police are busy putting more guns onto the streets.
What are you talking about?
I've been listening in. They're selling crates full of them, man. Undercover. The question is, why? And where? And who?
Tobias.
Right. Right. I'll show you where the sales went down, but you'll have to do the digging. Here's the deal, though. I want a nod in your manifesto.
I don't have a manifesto.
You will.
You done then?
You have what you need.
So far, yeah. Okay, look, I understand if you're scared.
I'm not scared. No one asked me to stay.
Well, no one asked you to leave.
You'll need to do better than that.
I could use some help. I could use your help.
Like a team.
Sure, like a team.
Not used to being a team.
No, I'm not.
Was that so hard?
No.
Let's go then.
Sure. All right, let's dive in and see what we can find. You sure that IP is here?
It's in here on the top floors. How do we get there?
We ride the cameras.
Where is he? Come on, man. Like, I need to see him. I need to see him.
You didn't hear me the first time I said something to you? Go ahead and sit your ass down. Sit the fuck down!
Look at that. You got the whole place custom wired. These aren't typical gangbangers. They're armed to the teeth.
It's like a fortress. I don't see an easy way in.
You've done this before.
I admit nothing.
Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, nobody else. Hey, you two stupid ass motherfuckers. Why you fucking with the Are you fucking hear me? You fucking with this elevator. Oh, you ain't shit, motherfucker. You looking at you wanna be next? Fuck out of here. Stupid ass motherfucker. You the only two motherfuckers down here. Stop fucking with shit. Damn. Hey, fuck you. You know that you straight ass. Oh, yeah.
If you don't get that baby to stop crying, I swear.
That's what you're doing. I'm killing you, man. Oh, man. Oh, man, you a bitch. Fuck you. You know that? You a bitch. You a straight ass
That's all you
bitch,
do is
man.
play
Look at
games.
that shit.
That's what it is.
Ah, got you. Ah,
Shit.
shit. Get you again. I'm gonna get you again. Watch what
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Motherfucker. Got you.
You know you cheat. You cheat. You don't get no
You ain't shit.
See that part there? Stick the skimmer in that spot. This is the person's car. Send it back to us on Wi-Fi.
Got it. It's a good thing it doesn't take much to modify this shit, man. We're gonna have to update these machines from the chip card.
Don't worry about that. We got it covered. We're more on top of shit than any law. Like Iraq says, adapt to change. That's the key, man.
Straight ass
That's all you
bitch,
do is
man.
play
Look at
games.
that shit.
That's what it is.
Ah, got you.
Harder. Harder.
This one hurts, man, because of blood. But the kid is soft. I ain't just talking about the 300 plus he carries either. He takes a lot of shit from the V's. He takes even more shit from Grandma. If my cousin wasn't there to intercept, I think I would have killed that crazy bitch by now. Two bugs seems to have my back, but shit, I don't know how much longer I can have his.
Hey, man, this is all a big misunderstanding, all
Shut
right?
up.
All right, just
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, man, you gotta...
Shut the fuck up, man.
Hey, man, it's just... You gotta listen to me, all right?
entrepreneurs. Police got an eye on every corner, which means they pick up all the small-time players who don't know no better. Cuts away my competition. But if you know what I know, and you can do what I can do, you take your hardware and you use it to protect yourself. Shit, my little castle here, it's got a state-of-the-art security paid for by the giving taxpayers of Chicago. Thank you, everybody.
People really lived here?
And died here.
Want one?
No, thanks.
Cool shit.
What, you watching me again? You watching me again? So what, you want some? Fuck you! I got you. Oh, you ain't shit, motherfucker. I'll beat you in the heart. I got you right here, though. Lord, you don't get me paid, homeboy. You don't get me paid.
There. The IP address is coming from that room.
There's a card reader on it. Shit. Key's hidden in his dog tag.
Listen, ain't nobody stole from you, boy. Get your boss on the phone. Yeah, it'll take a few. It'll fucking take a few. Hey, but get your ass in here. What are you doing with that? I thought I told you. I just thought that you... This shit won't fly. You remember Grandma's bulldog? That ugly little fox? Fathead. Yeah. Always came running when you hollered for him, right? But always kept pissing on the floor, too. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. No, you don't. Listen, it costed me business. And who do you think's gonna win between you and business? Yeah, Mr. Quinn's on speaker. Business. Quinn.
I put you in charge of merchandise and security. Now I find you stolen my guest list. I won't be fleeced, Mr. Rack.
Yo, chill. That ain't how it went down. See, I think you confused. This is a business collaboration. Your guests are my guests. Listen, we'll talk this out at the auction.
Don't be a stoke, Mr. Rack. Where I grew up, we shot them between the eyes.
Fucking leprechaun can suck my lucky charm. This fuck's a stoked.
Yo, it's a weasel, man.
Weasel. Anything else?
I got you.
I don't see how you could get on the compound. Never mind near that room. Even the security locks on the doors are encrypted.
That fat kid, Bedbug, he's gonna go in for me.
Just like that. And why should he help us?
I'm betting he's one mistake away from a bullet to the head. So when he makes that mistake, I'll be recording. Nothing like blackmail to change someone's tune.
The old house still has a bite. The book you carry, where is it?
Why is he doing that? He's an assassin, Dad. Well, I mean, why is he talking to the guy he just killed? It's a confession? Well, that's just
This
dumb.
is getting complicated.
Dad, please.
I can keep Damien focused on that
You're
hard
ruining
drive.
it.
I need to find Nikki. He'll slip up. I know, Damien. I have to be patient. And right now, I need Bedbug.